Okay, Papi Kojo, my brother, and big shout out to him, baby Obia, because ever since I'm starting music, I don't know projecting my to extent this maybe do them level where sister I was this year, and so big shout out to him.
Opedo project we fi Accra, waba,
Yeah.
we bodu, Takoradi. Already had to push west side talent.
Yeah.
No way ignore one. Yo, brother.
No, I ain't no more. I want that them I'm kind of Papi Kojo nipa or time or day another. Nti I'm pede like eman pressure or different way altogether.
No, on your pressure, Papa. I didn't all in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my young boys.
Enjoy.
I would see a way in Bonkro, Eton, you
Yeah.
And see, I feel there. This is another opportunity and go to the project.
Oh, true.
And see, Sawanya. So I mean, on your side or to Indian fans in the street.
Okay, I want one different way.
Young when there, he has not been fair to you.
Okay.
Or you two things. It's either they be on with a joke, another and you're and young papa bin area, another group in a lady.
Okay.
Anything on for serious because truly, if so when you're not for serious, no when they are this serious bin area, I'm sure he would have, reached out and placed you on that one summer project.
Kum baggy, kum baggy, you and me. I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
Okay, beautiful people. I say welcome to Takoradi Studios. Why in the Takoradi Studios? They urban things related to the fancy side, and I be here. You go get them authentic. Now, in there, may a one-on-one special be crowd with our very own brother, all the way from West Side Takoradi. I say our background also know it. May link up to senior man Takoradi. I mean, I'm so why not? I mean, yes, I'm coming for so long, and so. I decided to hit up on brother there. I say, about time it was citizen. Brahaningens come on. Now I'm not talking to any other person than our very own. I say, Bozina one
Pappy Kubi, yeah.
Where I was. I say, welcome to Accra.
Thank you.
And I was also back Accra.
On the young toy, on the music,
Welcome into our show.
I don't know the back cry, music, yeah.
Well, a lot of people they be a but the only thing that comes in my name there, Pappy Kubi look alike. And for some years in Ghana, you experience look alike business and most of these boys are not seen as serious musicians.
Okay.
When guys in that way, serious musician, one wonder agree being a word because look alike. Today I can promise no look alike in other one see. Now, if I'm a man for serious, that when you look alike in a serious musician.
Yeah, the reason some from look alike in there, I think that I'm a thinking about person look alike in all about. Yeah, because during the time now Papi could post I don't know, them look alike in Ombe. Yeah, so that's how it comes since now from serious there. Oh, Papi Kubi or exceptional from the look alike and I don't know.
Well,
yeah,
I see. So if you don't know the person we are talking to, a friend Pappy Kubi, now he's very a. Obi bakada ose Pappy Kojo pa agree our Pappy Kojo na picture photo screen no na man fu na won hu Zaire kanazam. So this is Pappy Kojo. Na what about Pappy Kojo is in a there. He's one of the most influential hip hop artists of Ghana. I said, what's your relation with Pappy Kojo?
Okay, Pappy Kojo is my brother, and big shout out to him, baby Obia, because ever since I'm starting music, I don't know projecting my to extent this maybe do them level where sister I was this year, and so big shout out to him.
But
so Pappy Kojo, my cousin.
Okay, what cousin?
Yeah, into a day for me 247.
Okay. What cousin is your mother's side and our father's side?
Mommy's side.
Mommy's side.
Yeah.
But I'm out for so baka. I mean, actually, Pappy Kojo ne influence in Ghana music industry now. Yeah, you know, you the way Anna Kitty in nature.
Yeah.
You know, or hyper Kitty or pushing it. I mean, a lot of people were expecting there. Damn opportunity in all the markets and then know there wasn't more. Why is he not doing this for you?
I think the Pappy Kubi starting music 2020. So I think the 5 years son is in the Pappy Kubi just what time or the and yama. And see, sometimes you know I understand him, you know, because he want to or pede on there like you know yamaro kodo or pede no jinencha no she given there. If there's only one more, still I can still be on my feet to work hard.
But but asama I reckon emi onyame because the reason being that edwuma na eri enyo bi mo we so wonse medu sir he's up there already so he doesn't take anything away from you know pulling you up there nti ekade original wa hwe manyama ye amo ansana wa bobo wa wana na onyama mbe no mba fanki
oh I think that today mama kano edwuma mle ye no music no to me no music na my and Pappy Kubi contribution won't be
any contribution
a bit today when I like or promoting like you know and the music is all about promotion so like doing those kind of styles and you know projecting me to the world you know I appreciate.
Well, you know, I appreciate but me feed on Yashi because my on Instagram I share from January to December. Last year, me who they were posting anything about you, and I feel he's not doing much. So what cousin I will baby a bonidi indirectly. You also pushing and projecting him. You understand? I feel that he's not doing much. And as employer me me, I'll say it's Mobiara who there. Or by you be what Takoradi once ma. We had the likes of Hindu Township. Why were you not on that song?
On a dimension, Pappy Kubi
and so you can't tell me that your cousin wants to project you because Opero projects we fi Accra, Waba, we Bodu, Takoradi. Already added to push West Side talent. No way ignore one. Yo. Brother,
no, I ain't no more. I want that them can Pappy Kubi in pa or what time or day and day. And see, I'm pede like eman pressure or different way altogether.
No, on your pressure, Papa, I don't know layan. Oh yeah, my young boys. I would send away in Bone Crow at home. And see, I feel this is another opportunity and go to the project.
Oh, true. And
see, Sawanya. So I mean on your side or to Indian fans in Wall Street.
Okay, I want one different way.
Young when there, he has not been fair to you.
Okay.
Or you two things. It's either they be on there a joke, another and you papa bin area another group in a lady.
Okay.
Anything on for serious because truly, if so when you're not for serious, no when they are this serious bin area, I'm sure he would have, you know, reached out and placed you on that one summer project. You understand?
Yeah.
Come on, I am come on Wall Street and do what I do.
Oh, true.
Kofu bebre akadamas mu kofu bebre edin ho ya wo de Charlie Pappy Kubi Pappy Kubi de one summer song ide. Nkode de ni gina.
Nkode dem dado.
You understand?
Oh, true.
But only fancy wo or your any decision.
Yeah.
But one thing I will tell you in there, one, I feel it's about time you would also grow out of the main brand Pappy Kubi.
Yeah.
And be yourself. Meaning what you think, but I feel there. Nyimpa na awore ya azuma aso na nyuwa na anade if there or your woman to another wide door. Ono hu them. So it's about time I want kasa so be take what brand and you know so one kasa win same.
Okay.
Let Pappy Kubi be Pappy Kubi.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be me. I saw that with him because of ne Pappy intin I was so inspired wana.
Oh, okay. Make the Pappy na made or come de no. I am some of the mama fans na Wall Street in the nana or the Pappy mum. What the Pappy Kubi mum. And especially time I'm starting music for no T Sangari. No sure Pappy Kubi no balance no. I don't know. Frankly speaking, I don't know the Pappy Kubi mum in like there was me use Pappy Kubi, you know. That time no I could go and search Pappy Kubi e won bia o. But since and I think the you to me aboy on more than you push up part so since a search Pappy Kubi on the Oracle. So the name na be a brand.
Good. So for how many years now in music? What Takoradi? Like how many years now starting in what Takoradi?
Okay, me started music 2020. So yeah, 2020. So I think that me 5 years and I'm a woman.
5 years.
Yeah.
But so far 5 years name with the improvement to be able man.
I see more improvements, because on easy and see more there be more improvements.
Label be approach you up and all sign one.
No, not since I don't know. Label be
55 years here, label be ambe.
Yeah, no.
It's one a pushy BB on
you
know. Then scour in fair fraud boy ana.
Oh, me a fraud boy, but on the earlier the next earlier year definitely a benyanko for 1 2 be more with some day I say obey ye into no young queen anymore obey ye. Then I needed the money they would do
and our shadow sugar mummy be no support.
Oh no.
Sugar was support one shout out to be our support to say
big shout out to Style for the big shout out to Miss Naman Yawsafo. You know, like to them them kofona de no so mu and one uncle saying fans no so wa street na de no also little contribution are there no so can be. Yeah.
So 5 years yeah you me abosho ajiska.
Yeah, my bush ajido.
I hear na was
ajido. Okay, I think the my first show I think the 1,000 of film pay by
1,000 CDs.
Yeah. That was my first show. And I think
that show them.
Oh, Kumasi. I show me if you didn't know, I do events. One way them show no. I do events.
Where
as
a car
for if you just about Kumasi.
Intina what tadi.
Yeah, no more tadi no more.
Na one Kumasi Kobo show 1,000.
Yeah.
Sana is canon sushi.
So them am can only like kanga ka ewa. So the management in want to know if they can ba then you appreciate and then we are carrying on. But I think now the watcher into
recent one I Japan.
Recent one I'm a kadama busho maji. I think the frankly speaking, you can qualify 3,000.
3,000.
Yeah.
I see. Honestly, I show VGA me ana.
Oh no. Ana wala sha muhudi no ma tadi wala sha. Because eba Takoradi Pappy Kubi,
I so show no.
No, well, if you come, cannot an eye away.
That's I say.
Yeah.
All right. I say, in Bonnie Druman area, but there is one thing about Accra, and there is this school of thought today. So, what Takoradi in a room or bears in the blue. Is that the reason why I want about Accra there, bear room and they be promoting?
Okay, the reason it's among some about Accra specifically.
Or you true and on you true.
Them telling mintum kada or you true or you true, but the reason to make them in there.
So far, one hour to Takoradi we blow a Takoradi. Why are him?
One dorsum.
But one's in.
Makada Kenata.
Darby Kenata will blow a Takoradi.
Okay, Kenata will blow a Takoradi or Jimmy Dino. I want to watch you one dino. I want to watch you one din. Makada or Bialam blow a Takoradi. No, but you can worldwide there. And they come there obielem blow because can na no blow from Accra.
Inti did to me there before I blow ne chire aba Accra sana.
Oh, Accra there the bibia wa dey so mejitum.
Inti abe blowing in we dwuma na area.
Blowing we dwuma na area no.
Okay, so far be moves in make.
I think the your call radio station, on UFM what bomjumo you distribute songs now one. I think the ndempo ya kasimpo ya Pink FM. Na snaba DJ Takoradi Studios challenge. So it go on.
All right. I learned today as a new track biaba.
Pachonjo.
Ewa. Inti yamboma audience no feel it kakra.
Okay.
One judge and share.
Yeah, there you book in man there alpha. Oh true. I say one answer one judge.
I say. It's director Gray, but was it other ball? Or ye Pappy Kubi ne kunkum badge na mam. Ebo so ane ye mic ni audio na ye film na ye nti feedback bi abaye ite wa ha. Iti manyen kunkum badge ya. Kunkum badge you Beautiful, 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 beautiful sound. I say sound and air correct.
Oh, true.
One of producing woman.
Obio producing what Takoradi, you know.
A friend and I beats.
Big shout out to Gomble Studios, you know.
Yeah. I say
Takoradi Air Force inside.
The sound here. One also not make sense.
Yeah, now no ABBA.
But what's the motivation behind the song?
Oh, okay, you know, on the I don't on my in Germany there. Moon the Elia Dibiala, then Nkofo criticize na what you day, you know what can some na day in dinner. So why can't today haters obi on pawasam na Elia Wadibi I don't know kodo now what's this now what's it on bunch of that atasa and see so make a channel kunkumba geji weni because Adibiala Yami woma energy suwum bibiala suwum. Atasa and say how the budget super bad the impact still ponkoshe because yes to we go forward.
But kunkumbaji and ninchas yanga saying body.
Ninchas and American kunkumbaji means hater in my music in the music can am here no.
Them now. Chrome kasa no then I would chemdo a hater. Indian kasa. Oh
yeah, minimdo Indian okay, minimdo a movie but that to me no them na mofano. Yeah.
I see.
Enjoy.
That's I see. Wala language.
Enjoy.
But so far, you know all the streaming platforms.
Baby, I be Accra Pappy Kubi. Baby, I be Accra the whole life.
But so far, dropping a response and it's
you know, it go on. Kofu all kodonga kanga kranti. Most one that also one support, one streaming you know, now one making you hates. Yeah.
But that background promotion area.
You go do them American kunkumba now no the new FM wallbo. So life, you know, so the same as
what pen are other places?
My call other places also na the property na the Amansan when yeah.
All right, Charlene, you are doing some great works. Yeah, bompay the Yanko Pombo Boy Kwanibina.
Amen.
I mean, archer in tea.
Oh, true.
Oh, true. They put in a lot of hard work.
Oh, true.
I like one thing about you don't give up.
Yeah.
You keep knocking. You keep knocking, and that's one good feature about you.
And that's it.
You came all the way from Western region.
Yeah.
Remember, pai boy, they am for sapana unko. There should be a being a one human. Yeah, bompay the yankopon. Bless you now, Sanka.
Amen.
No more hits.
Amen.
I hits and so bad, but when you had the whole.
Amen. 2025 year, I'm put me a share by hits. 2025 year. I still have none yet.
Monstru. Now, featuring someone, Pappy Kubi, you need the featuring one Samanda.
Many name botally.
And to me, be son of that brother, number one, you be on and pedem a verse, and be sebida.
No, frankly speaking,
in be son of more verse.
No.
Is it there? On one answer, you mean and penny verse.
Oh, onto them like what the reason that me like me be saying there on the ever me starting music no me pede mag some ya mad kanga na me share what will come out of it.
Right. So far artists are with Western region our top and I feature one pede all more verses is when you beje. Oh, na country na me nyim na.
Oh, true. But I think the go for 2 pen and pedamino track or Western region. 9 Pappy Kubi and a Nikanata. That's all. In Siciano, I think the oh to me no Siciano currently no them go for 2 na me one at the moment.
Empire Subniverse.
Oh no yawa I some see me cinema big shout out to him.
Now you say no friend then no simple. Them party I watch or other that Yaw Lucas.
I'm not the one drum yeah, I'm not the one drum.
The anniversary.
Oh, say what's I no.
But I will only one human or fire.
Oh, you know, I think maybe Muku me few kuma or be out to a fabon poto. Nitati young
Young Hudo.
Yeah.
Now you're not moving, does it?
And how I'm a piquet, it's what 10 you know, but I say. Or what I say, the reason I'm seeing you don't know.
That's it. Brother, thank you for coming there. Yeah, for a while also. It to my pass through.
Master, that's a pass. No, ma'am, that's it. That's it. I'm going to push you. The to mama the opportunities mama so to me do who platform you do, you know. Big shout out to you, DJ Takoradi. You know, cinema. God bless you.
All right, guys, since Pappy Kubi na you know all the digital stores now. But more than na stream me now follow all the social media platforms. From a Takoradi, I have no Takoradi Studios. Extra was social media, but more than YouTube. Now enjoy the full video. I'm out of here.
don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. He said all the lie.
Power to the rich.